personal curiosity, what is the noise that makes that people's spines will make when they get adjusted sometimes, that pop? There's a whole subgenre of content dedicated to featuring those pops.
Yes.
And is that most of it? Is that part of it? Like tell me what's going on there.
It's really simple. It's a word called cavitation. And all it is a chiropractor is basically squishing the gas out of your joints. It's kind of like, like when you take the top off of a pop and all of that, built up pressure comes out. So it's the same thing. You're not cracking bones. You're just releasing pressure